Stick around for an awesome review. What's up, Keto Kings and Queens? So I was asked to review some of this protein powder by Protein Milkshake, and my samples finally came in yesterday. So this mix is naturally sweetened, it's grass-fed, all natural ingredients, and besides milkshakes, you can make donuts, pancakes, waffles, cupcakes, puddings, and cheesecake. And to top it off, it is the perfect healthy option with low carbs and low calories. I'm hoping it is as good as it looks. So they sent me 2 samples, peanut butter cup and cupcake batter. And of course your girl is making cupcake batter pancakes today. If you're really into protein milkshakes or protein anything, I'm going to put their Instagram page here on the screen for you to grab. I definitely recommend you go check out their website because they offer a variety of different flavors. So today I did use the recommended recipe on their website, which was 1/4 cup of almond flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, the entire content of our protein powder, which is 1 serving, 1/4 cup of milk, which I made from heavy cream and water, and last but not least, 1 egg white. I mixed it up very well and it actually came together very smoothly. I scooped some onto my saucepan with some butter, topped it with some sprinkles and a few blueberries. Here you can actually add any fruit that you like. I waited until the edges began to bubble and then flipped it over. And this made 3 perfect sized pancakes. I was very impressed. Look how gorgeous this looks. And I did top it with the cream cheese icing that they suggested. If you want my honest opinion, these were 100 times better than the keto pancake mix you buy at the store. Absolutely perfect for a healthy replacement. If this was for you, go follow them on Instagram, check out their store, go grab your samples because it is so worth it.